Welcome back to Odoo channel, guys. And in today's video, we are diving into an exciting Odoo 18 customization, adding eBay related fields to Odoo's product form. So actually, why this idea came into my mind, many of our friends, they have just actually sent query about connecting eBay app or having some fields in products form related to eBay category. So lots of people, they are doing businesses, they have got their accounts on eBay. So this is a great opportunity for us or for them to integrate with their accounts and have accounts on Odoo as well. It will not affect on Odoo's flow or whatsoever. So let's dive it in. As you can see on my screen that we are using Odoo 18 at the moment. If I go in settings, you can see it's Odoo 18. So what is the idea of customization as at the moment? If we go in sales or inventory, and if we go in products, so if we click on any product here, so we have got these tabs, these pages on product template form. So the idea is that on this sales tab, we want to add a new group which will be called eBay, and we will add some eBay related fields. And this is just a basic integration. This is just a start at the moment, guys. In next my video, I will just try my best to upload a video where we will talk about integration with our eBay account. So let's start our work. So we are using for this customization, as usual, Visual Studio Code, and I have got in Odoo 18 folder. This is my custom folder, and I have not got anything at the moment. So let's start with creating a new folder which will be eBay fields. Okay. Then we are going to add two more folders. Views. One more folder, static. Okay. So, and two more files as well. The first is init.py and second is manifest file. So in this init one, we will be using models. And this manifest file, let me just add the content. So this is the content for our manifest file. So in this manifest file, if you see with the name, so this is the name of the module as it will appear in Odoo. And in our case, I have given the name product eBay fields. Then the version, as you already know that we are working in Odoo 18, so I have given the version 18.0.1.0.0. And then the category. In case of category, determines which category the module falls under the Odoo, since we are adding eBay fields to products. And I think inventory will be a suitable category. So instead of eBay connectivity, we say inventory. Then summary. This is just a short summary of the modules which we are using. Add eBay related fields to Odoo products. Then the description. Here we can give whatever description we like. I have given this module enhances the Odoo product model by adding eBay related fields to store essential eBay listing details. It allows users to manage eBay specific attributes such as the item number, listing status, price, stock availability, and listing URL directly from the Odoo product form. So with this description, you already know that what we are going to do and what kind of fields we are going to add. Then you can also give key features as well. Adds eBay item number field for unique identification. Includes eBay listing status, the selection field, active, draft, ended, pending. These will be the selections in that field. Then stores eBay specific price and stock availability. Provides a field for the eBay listing URL for quick access, and seamlessly integrates with Odoo's existing product management system. So as with the key features, now you already know that what kind of fields we are going to add. This module serves as a foundation for future integration with the eBay API to automate listing, updates, and synchronize inventory levels. Then in author, I've given Odooistic depends. So dependency list. This means our module depends on the product module. This product module must be installed before the module can work. And then in data, list of XML files that contains views, forms, and UI customizations. In this case, we are modifying the product form view by adding eBay related fields using product underscore view.xml. And then security, ir.model.access.csv. So because we are not going to add a new model, that's why we don't need this. So we can comment it out. Then installable is true. This flag allows the module to be installed in Odoo. If false, it won't appear in the apps list. Then application is true. When true, the module appears as an app in the Odoo's app dashboard. So we can say false here because this is just a product enhancement and not a full application. So we set it to false, and then the license, you can give the license there. So this is, guys, our manifest file. Now it's time to add our model file, which is product.py. I just copy and paste it here. So this is product.py. And before that, we also need to add a new file here, which will be init.py. And here we need to give reference of that file. Right. So from Odoo, import models or comma fields. So this models allows us to define new models or modify existing ones in Odoo. Then the fields used to define new fields in our model, like character, float, integer, selection, etc. Then after that, we have created a class, product template, models.model, and then inherit is product.template. So instead of creating a new model, we extend the existing product.template model, which is used for managing products in Odoo. This means that all existing product features remain, and we are simply adding new fields for eBay. These are the new fields added to the product template for storing eBay related information. eBay item number. As you can see, this is a character field to store the eBay item number, usually a unique identifier for the listing. This help text provides a tooltip in Odoo explaining what this field is. This one. Then the second field is eBay listing status. This is also a selection field where the user where the user can choose from predefined options. Active, the item is currently listed on eBay. Ended, the item's listing has expired or been removed. Draft, the item has been created but not yet published on eBay. And then pending, the item is waiting for approval for processing. And this is the string, and default is default. Draft, sorry. So the default value is set to draft. Then the next field is eBay underscore price, a float field to store the product's price on eBay. This allows decimal values like 49.99 or 50.62, etc., etc. Then the next field is eBay stock, an integer field to store the number of items available in stock on eBay. And then the last but not least, eBay listing URL, a character field to store the URL of the eBay listing. This allows users to click the link and directly view the product on eBay. So this is it, guys. This is the Python file. So now we need to create a view file. So let me just get code for that. So so for that, we just need to create a new file here. We can also match it from right. So this is the code. So let's start with Odoo. This is the root tag that wraps all Odoo XML definitions. Every view file in Odoo must start with Odoo tag. Define a new record for the view. Then we are defining a new record for the view. This creates a new view record in Odoo's ir.ui.view model, which is this one. And then ID, a unique record identifier for this view. Then model is ir.ui.view. This tells Odoo that we are modifying a UI view. And then we are defining view metadata, which starts from here, where we are defining field name, product.template.form.ebay. Then model is product.template, as you all already know. And then this is the inherit ID, where we are inheriting, as already I have explained it to you, that this is a product form where this is a sales, and how we can get inherit ID if you just activate the developer mode and then click on this bug thing here and then click on view form. So then you can see this is the external ID of that form view which you want to inherit. Just copy and then paste it. Paste it here, as I have already done. And then we are modifying the product form using XPath, which you can clearly see how we are doing it. Already have explained in XPath, there is a page named as sales, and inside that page, we are going to initiate or creating a new group, which is called eBay. And in that group, we are going to add all of our 5 fields which we have created in product.template model. The first is eBay underscore item underscore number, then eBay underscore listing underscore status, then eBay underscore price, then eBay underscore stock, and then eBay underscore listing underscore URL. How cool it is. I mean, it's so simplified. I made it very easy, and very easily you can understand what I have done. And then from here, you can just do many things. So this is the product underscore view form view, and how we have added the fields in it. So let's again check that everything is there. We have created a new module, which is eBay underscore fields. In that, we have created a models folder, static folder, views folder, and in our manifest file, we have already given reference to our views file, which is product underscore view.xml, which is right. In models, we have created a Python file, which is product.py, and we have given that reference into our init file, which is great. Only one thing I think we need to do, I have already saved a icon for this module. So let's create a new folder in static, which is called description. And in that folder, I'm going to copy this icon.png. So this will be the module picture of our practice module, which is eBay underscore fields. Don't worry, you will get all this code on my GitHub repository, and I will also leave that link in this video description as well. So every single thing which we are doing, you will just get it. So what we need to do now, we just need to install this module now. So if we go in the front end and we go in apps, so please make sure your developer mode should be activated, and then you need to click update apps list. Click update. Copy your module name and then paste it here. So you can see you will get your module here, product eBay fields. Click activate. It will take maybe 4 or 5 seconds, and if there are no errors, it will take you to the dashboard, Odoo dashboard. So because we have already mentioned in manifest file, the application is false. We have given false here, sorry. Okay. So then we need to go in inventory or sales and then click on products. When you will go in products, just click on any product and go in sales page. When you go in sales page, you will see a new group has been added in this page, which is called eBay. And then here you will see all those 5 fields which we have already created. Number 1 is eBay item number, then eBay listing status, eBay price, eBay stock, eBay listing URL. So what I'm going to do, I'm just adding information here. And save it here. So whenever you will be opening this product again, you can see all this information has been saved, and this information why we are adding this information, that this product we are maybe selling it on our Odoo website as well, and also we are also available this product on our eBay listing as well. We are also selling it on eBay store as well. Not everyone is doing, but many of our friends, and but uh, we also can have a customer requirement as well, that they want to do it. So this is a great initiative. This is a great start. And then from here, we can also even lead to connect our account with Odoo. We can do that. And also one more improvement, I would say, that here, if you see that this link, so this link should see as a link as well. When we click, it should open that eBay item as well, which, in view, we just need to use widget, I think, is equal to link HTML, something like that. But yeah, I will just mention later how we can do that. Guys, one more thing we can do. If we go back in Visual Studio Code, let's search for URL. And if you can see that here, Odoo has used this widget is equal to this URL. So we can also use this. Why not? So if we go back into our files, so here, just use widget is URL and then refresh this. And then we see that so lots of improvements we can do, lots and lots of improvements. My job is to just give you guys an initiative, just to give you a start. And I would say this is not just a start, it's more than a start. And you can just start from here, and it can just take you to amazing, something very, very amazing. Please even share some amazing stories as well with me. Some of your final projects and what you have achieved, please. So what we do in front end, let's just again upgrade this module, which is the eBay. Yep, and upgrade it. It has been completed. We go in sales, products, and then go in the same product, and then in sales. And now, okay, if we see that, yeah, this, if you see that this go to URL, this is because of that widget we have been used. Click on this and it will take us to the product. So voila, this is so amazing. So guys, as you know, it's been completed. All those fields are there. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, share it with your friends, and come up with another ideas as well, with your success stories as well. If you want to ask any questions, you are most welcome to ask any question in comments below. And till then, take care of yourself, and ta-ta.